Hi everyone. In this series, we will explore the life stories of famous people from around the world, such as Queen Elizabeth II, Albert Einstein, Nelson Mandela, Michael Jackson, and so on. You can learn about their life stories in just a few minutes while also improving your English listening and reading skills. Let's dive into the Learn English Through Stories series now. Karoline Leavitt. Karoline Claire Leavitt, born on August 24, 1997, in Atkinson, New Hampshire, is an American political aide and government official. She has been the White House press secretary under President Donald Trump since January 20, 2025. This makes her the youngest and 36th person to hold this important role. Early life and education. Leavitt grew up in a Roman Catholic family that owned an ice cream shop and a used truck dealership in Plaistow, New Hampshire. She attended Central Catholic High School in Lawrence, Massachusetts, and graduated in 2015. After that, she went to St. Anselm College on a scholarship for NCAA Division II college softball. At college, she openly supported the Trump administration, writing articles that defended Trump's travel ban and criticized the media. She graduated in 2019 with a degree in communications and politics, being the first in her family to earn a college degree. Career. Leavitt started her political career with internships at Fox News and the White House Office of Presidential Correspondence. After college, she worked as an assistant press secretary under Kayleigh McEnany during Trump's first term. Later, she became the communications director for Republican Representative Elise Stefanik. 2022 Congressional Campaign. In 2022, Leavitt ran for the U.S. House of Representatives in New Hampshire's 1st District. The Republican primary was notable because both candidates had worked for Trump. Leavitt won the primary unexpectedly, using a campaign style similar to Trump's. This approach attracted support from figures like Lauren Boebert and Ted Cruz. However, she lost the general election to Democratic incumbent Chris Pappas. Trump administration roles. After her congressional run, Leavitt worked with various clients. She was then chosen as the national press secretary for Trump's 2024 presidential campaign in January 2024. She faced significant media attention. This included a moment when she was taken off air during a CNN appearance for arguing about debate moderators. In November 2024, Trump appointed her as White House press secretary, succeeding Karine Jean-Pierre. She held her first press conference on January 28, 2025. During this event, she announced that independent journalists and influencers could apply for press access. During this event, she made a controversial claim about federal funding for condoms in Gaza, which was later proven false. Personal life. Leavitt is married to Nicholas Riccio, a real estate developer who is 32 years older than she is. They announced their engagement in December 2023 and had a private wedding. Leavitt gave birth to their son on July 10, 2024. Although she planned to take maternity leave, she decided to continue working after an assassination attempt on Trump later that month. She credits her Catholic upbringing for instilling pro-life values, discipline, and a commitment to public service. Controversies. Throughout her career, Leavitt has faced controversies. One notable issue was a complaint from the Federal Election Commission regarding her campaign accepting donations that exceeded legal limits. In January 2025, she revealed significant unpaid campaign debts from her congressional run, raising questions about her financial practices. Karoline Leavitt's career showcases her loyalty to the Trump administration. Her commitment to conservative values makes her a notable figure in American politics today.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.